What is going on, Goblin Noise? It is me, your boy Spooky G, back on a Sunday. Back in the Goblin Kitchen, back in here in the Goblin Cave. As always, my channel is the place to be, y'all. I'm here, I'm glad you guys are here too. So if you guys are ready, let's get into this other super video I got planned for you today. You are not going to believe this one. I guarantee you, it's going to be a game changer. So you stay right here and you watch. I'm going to show you how we do it around here, y'all. Okay, so I got a question for you guys. Show of hands or a like in the comments. How many of you guys like strawberries? I do. How many of you guys like cheesecake? Huh? Yeah, I do too. Is that right? How many of you guys like ice cream? I know this goblin sure does. Show of hands, yeah? How many of you guys like a blizzard? Show of hands, yeah? Everybody? Who doesn't, right? How many of you guys like a strawberry cheesecake blizzard from Dairy Queen? Oh, yeah, now we're talking. Okay. How many of you guys like all the calories that come with that? Nah, not me, I don't want to. How many of you guys like all the fat and sugar that goes along with that? No, not so much. So, what if I told you I had a way where you could have a strawberry cheesecake blizzard, you make yourself at home, without all that extra fat, without all that extra calories, and almost no sugar in it? Don't believe me? Stay right here, because I'm going to show you how we going to do this, y'all. As always, it's going to be anabolic. It's going to allow you to have your ice cream and eat it too. Because that's what we do around here, y'all. So if you're ready, man, we're going to go back into the kitchen in the Goblin Cave. I'm going to take off my gimmick costume. We're going to get this done. Alright? Let's go. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the Goblin Kitchen and the Goblin Cave. Like I was saying in my intro, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cheesecake Dairy Queen blizzard right from home with half of the calories, half of the fat, and almost no sugar. So, first thing you're going to do, grab a food scale, grab a mixer bowl. Then in the mixer bowl, I have in here 34 grams of a non-fat free Greek yogurt of any kind you want. After you get that in the bowl, this is just your standard fat-free cream cheese that you can find at Walmart or Kroger. You're going to go in and take one whole block of this, put it right in the bowl. After I get her open. Knife, just like that. And pro tip, you always want to have your cream cheese out at room temperature. It's going to make life a whole lot easier, man, trust me. After you get her open, just dump it right on into the bowl right like that. Next step, I have in here 30 grams of a sugar stick of your choice. I got some splitting in here, just your standard Walmart brand. I also have one box of sugar-free vanilla jello. We're going to dump this right in here with the cream cheese and the Greek yogurt. Next thing I have, two scoops of a whey protein. You want to make sure there's some sort of vanilla, any kind of vanilla protein will work. This is a Body Fortress brand that you can find at Walmart or any other place. Any brand will work, man. It's protein powder. Go right into the bowl. Next up, good old pure vanilla extract. You'll need about 1 tablespoon right into the bowl. Next, I got some xanthan gum here. This is about 5 grams for the stout batter. We're going to pour it right into the bowl. Hey guys, now that you have everything in your bowl here, and trust me, I'm going to leave all the ingredients somewhere in the description here, just to make it easier for you guys to sort through all this. Now, you can either mix it by hand, or if you're lucky enough to have a Ninja blender like I do here, I highly recommend you use one of these, because this is actually what's going to make it into the blizzard. Hey guys, now that I have everything in here, that was a little messier than I thought. When I do another one of these, I'm going to mix everything up in the bowl, then put it into the blender. I think that'll work out a little bit better. But hey, we live and learn, right? Okay, so I got all the wet ingredients in it. Now I have some crushed up graham cracker crumbs, and I'm going to put about half of this in here. This is about 50 grams of graham crackers. The reason why I'm only using half is because I'm going to save the other half for a topping to make it look pretty. Now you don't have to do that. You can put all of it in there if you want. But I'm making a video, so you know, I'm going to make it look good for people who actually click on it and watch it. Now with the Ninja blender, I just set the top on, I lock it in place. It has 3 settings over here. I'm going to hit the on button right here. You can see it kind of flash on. The light up. It has an ice cream button. I'm going to hit this on high. I'm going to let it blend, and then I will be back. Okay, so I got the lid to snap back on. We're going to give it one more round in the good old Ninja blender. And when we come back, man, we are going to have ourselves an Anabolic Cheesecake Strawberry Blizzard, man. Now, what you think about that? Let's get it done. Guys, I do believe we have ourselves a winner here. I'm just going to try to get a close-up of that. Man, look at how thick and creamy and all the flavor this has in there, man. This is unbelievable, man. So remember what I said? I was saving those graham cracker crumbs for later. Check this out. This is going to be the next part. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm doing it because I'm making a video for you guys and I want to make this look pretty. So, hey guys, so what we are going to do with these graham cracker crumbs, we'll grab a spoon. Get you like a little mason jar or like a plastic cup that you can see through. I got some strawberry syrup here. Now, I try to find like sugar-free or something like that, but our stores around here lately have been terrible, so I can only find like the full version. But this is still only like 100 calories for like 2 tablespoons. So 1 tablespoon, 50 calories, teaspoon, 25, you know. We're just using it for a little bit of color here and for the graham crackers to stick. Now we're going to take a spoon of the graham cracker crumbs, go right on the bottom of the glass. Make sure they get all down in there nice and smooth like. Give it a little shakeroonie. Now, we're going to go in here with our homemade Anabolic Strawberry Cheesecake Blizzard now. Man, I just love how it sounds then, man. This is like, yeah, this is like incredible. I I am a freaking genius sometimes, y'all. I'm just going to spoon a little bit in here like so. Don't be afraid to get down in there and get dirty with it either. Hey, I made this food. It's mine, so I'm going to... Don't mind if I do. Now I'm just going to come in here with my fingers, do like little layers here. Guys, this looks so good. I had to strap on the anabolic cape and an anabolic pimp hat, pull up a seat of my computer so we could give this a day in court, y'all. Man, just look and amazing. Man, I am absolutely thrilled at how this turned out. So, without further ado, we're going to get on down in here. Man, just look at that, y'all. And 3, 2, 1, cheers to my goblin noise. Hold on, I need one more bite. I believe that I have smacked this one out of the park. This is really good, y'all. And I'm not even bullshitting. Look, when I tell y'all what's in here, it's going to make it even better. This is about the size of a medium blizzard that you will get at like Dairy Queen. Now for this size right here, what I have in here, this is 335 calories, 6 grams of fat, 7 grams of sugar, 9 grams of fiber, 28 grams of protein, and about 32 grams of carbs. Man, you cannot lose. Now, this might not be one of the most healthiest snacks you can have, but when you're having that craving, man, this is a far better alternative than what you're going to get anywhere else at like an actual fast food restaurant or just in general when you're out anywhere. Bottom line, when you spend some time in the kitchen and you learn how to cook and make your own food, being on a diet and trying to lose weight is a little bit easier because you can still eat the foods that you love without having to cut out entire food groups to see progress. That's the whole point of this diet, y'all. But anyway, I got a lot to do. I got a pay-per-view coming up tonight with WWE Payback. I need to be online for that. I got dishes to do. I got uploads to do. But until next time, this is Spooky Goblin, Spooky G. I love you guys. Live to play to live, just play. Stay entertained. Be just a little bit better than yesterday, y'all. Peace. I am out of here. See you guys.